Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name on your Windows 10 local account. Whether you want to update it for professional reasons or just personalize your computer, the process is quick and simple. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it from the results. This is the hub for managing your computer's settings. Inside the control panel, click on the first option labeled User Accounts. This is where all your account settings are managed. Next, select Change Your Account Name. This is the gateway to updating how your account is displayed. Here, type in your new account name. It could be your full name, a nickname, or even a professional title, whatever best represents you. Finally, click on the Change Name button. Your new account name is now applied and you're all set, and that's all it takes to change your Windows 10 local account name. Small customizations like this make your computer feel more personal and enjoyable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials